So we're making the rowing hand for Claire, as well as the squat spacer. Both of those are just to help out with grip, keeping like a steady distance when they become too small, or if there's like small issues with these, we can change them easily. So everything starts from measurements. As soon as we know what size we need, we can start making the actual model. And then, there's obviously brainstorming, figuring out what's going to work best. And the great thing with 3D printing is that if you don't know what's going to work best, you can make 5 designs, choose 2 or 3, print all of them, and then you have a physical model to actually play around with, test if you want. And you can do iterations of the design process. So basically, we're a interdisciplinary engineering club, and our main goal is to provide these 3D printed assistive devices to kids with limb differences. The 3D printing is really valuable in this sort of scenario because kids grow really fast. So with like a traditional prosthetic, these cost upwards of tens of thousands of dollars. So with our 3D printed hands and a lot of our task-specific devices, we can make these relatively quickly, print them out for really cheap at no cost to the family, and then in a few years when the kids outgrown them, we can easily just size it up, print it again, and they can keep using it.
So you take the 3D model, you put it into the software on the computer. And this basically turns it from the 3D model to something the computer can understand, or the 3D printer can understand. And then it just moves around and forms the models.